Welcome everyone. Today I am teaching you Nautical nails step by step guide. Let's start make waves and be on trend with these nautical themes nails. Step number 1, start by painting your nails with a navy blue nail polish. Step number 2, using a nail art brush and a white nail polish, draw a diagonal line from one corner to your nails to the other on your nails, except the ring finger. Step number 3, using the same tool and nail polish, create horizontal lines filling the area inside the bottom half on the each nail. Step number 4, using a nail art brush and a gold nail polish, paint on a gold line over the white diagonal across the corner center of the nail. Step number 5, using a dotting tool and the same nail polish, make a large gold dot in the upper corner of each of your fingernails. Let's move to step number 6. Using a nail art brush and the same nail polish, create a line stemming diagonally from the dot. This will be the shank of the anchor. Step number 7, using a same tool and nail polish, draw a gold curved line at the end of the shank to create the flexes of the anchor. Step number 8, using the same tool and nail polish, draw small gold arrows at the end of the curved line and a small horizontal line cross to the top of the shank line right underneath the gold dot. Step number 9, using a dotting tool and a navy blue nail polish, place a dot inside the gold one of create the hole in the top of the anchor. Finally, step number 10, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.